BJC1923. It's
Yes.
industrial vacuum cleaner.
Yes, you are correct, because it is big and it is professional, so it is the bigger professional wet and dry industry vacuum cleaner.
Yes, when I saw it, it seems very professional.
Yes, and it also have many professional functions. I will introduce one by one for you, okay?
Okay, please show us.
Okay, first, you see the handle. Here is the big handle here.
Yeah, it looks very strong.
Yeah, yes, very strong big handle, and it is also same have the hose storage function here. You see, you can storage the hose here also very tightly.
Yes.
Yes, and also here is have the hole in the handle. You can lock your plug here to storage the cable also.
Yes.
It's good. And in the top of the machine, here is a place to storage your tools.
Yeah, it's very useful. When I use this vacuum cleaner, and I'm also playing with the phone, so I can put it here.
Yes, you can put your phone here, very convenient.
Yes, and also can put some small accessories. Right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
And here also have the accessory storage on the top.
Here also a storage function.
Yes, correct. And we move in front. There is 3 switches.
Yeah.
And that means it can be 1000 watt, 2000 watt, or 3000 watt.
Yes.
It's very powerful.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
it can be separate use or together use at the same time also.
Yeah. So one power switch control one motor.
Yes. Each switch control one motor. And do you know, have you seen here?
Yeah, it's this handle.
Yeah.
This button. It's also air filter cleaning function.
Yes, you are so clever. But it is the same as the model number BJ1922. Also have the filter cleaning button here. Can you, do you want to know how it works?
Yes, I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, we have a video, test video. Maybe you can see how to test it.
Okay.
Because this model is the new one in our factory, so now the video you see maybe not so clean, but it is very useful function. You see, now we suction the smallest pounder. This pounder will much easy to stock the filters. We do the test under the strictly situation.
Actually, we start as to test this machine.
Yes. The more smallest pounder, smallest dust, will be much easy to stock the filters.
Yes.
So now you can see, after several times use, the vacuum goes down, and now we see what's the capacity now. It is reduced. And reduce again.
Yes.
So now, if you wanted to recover the power, you need to use the filter function.
Yes.
Anyway, first we see how it look like.
Yeah, full of dust.
Yes, you can see all the dust cover the filter.
Yes. So next we need to use this filter cleaning function.
Yes.
And make a compression of before and
yes, correct. So you can see first we should stoke the hose, then we press the button several times. After several times, we can open the machine. Can you see?
Yeah, it's clean.
Yes, many dust have fallen down.
Yes. So this function is really useful and very convenient for us to clean the filter.
Yes, correct. And we also do the test. We have the date. After use the dust shaking function, the kPa can recover at least 7 to 10 kPa.
Wow, that's a large number.
Yes, so it is very useful for you, right?
Yes.
And then we next move. Here is the big hose connection.
Suction mouth.
Yes, and here is the drainage function. You can see. When this is full of water, the tank will be very heavy. Yes, it's not so easy for you to clean the waters, so you can use this.
So, after we use this, it can drain out of all of the water in the tank.
Yes, then we just put it back.
Okay.
Also, it with a stronger big base and storage function here, and 4 universal wheels. Easy for you to push it.
Yeah, we can move it everywhere.
Yes, everywhere. Also, you see the plastic, durable plastic.
It's so big.
Thing. Yes, very big design to match this.
Yeah.
And now we move to the back.
Oh, there is a bag.
Yes.
For accessory storage function.
Yes, this is also have a bag to storage all the accessories.
Yes.
First, you see the hose.
Yeah,
we
1.5 meter hose.
Yeah, we can stock here.
Yes.
And the brushes. It will have 2 brushes. One is for wet, and another one is for cleaning, dry cleaning.
Oh.
Also.
Great.
And here.
Oh, what's this?
Can you guess?
I think it's a blowing function mouse.
Yeah, you are so clever.
Yeah.
It is very. First, we take off the bag.
Okay.
You see, you just needed to put it here, then connect the hose here, then the blowing function start.
Yeah,
and if you no need it, you just take it
apart.
Yes.
Yeah, it's detachable.
Yes,
very
detachable.
Convenient.
Yes, and all the air will go down to the floor.
Here is a slope board. Slope board, it can blow the winds
towards the
to the ground.
Ground, not to people.
Yes.
Yes. Of course, this big one with the push handle, you can use it to push it very easily. And now we can show our standard.
Yes. Before that,
yeah.
Okay. Let's show its standard accessories first.
Yeah. It with 1.5 meter hose.
Yeah.
Connect here.
Yeah.
2
metal
tubes. And 2
brush, crevice nozzle and round brush.
1 brush and 2
big brush. For wet and dry.
Yes, all are included.
Yes.
And because this is the industry one, I wanted to know how is the power. The power is enough, or
yes. That's what I want to see just now.
Oh, sorry.
I much want to have a try about its power.
Okay, the power is very powerful. We can have a test.
Yeah, we prepare some.
Yeah, you can see there is many plastic particles. The suction power is stronger. We can suction it within 8 seconds.
Okay, let's connect the power.
Yeah. We maybe account. Yeah.
I have a try.
Okay.
Please.
Maybe, sorry. We may show this. Then we ask start,
Okay.
you start, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay? You see? It be sucked within 8 seconds.
Sorry.
Nice.
Yes.
It's powerful, right?
Yes.
It can help you clean your factory, clean your supermarket.
Or workshop.
Yes, workshop in very short time.
Yes. And may I know how about the certificates of this product?
Oh, it also have the CE, CB, and the ROS. So
Yeah.
it also can export to many countries.
Yes.
It also the family look with
Yeah.
the model BJ1923.
Yeah, so it has the capacity from 12 liters to 100 liters, right?
Yes, it will be family look.
Yes.
Now we have introduced almost of this function, so we can have a brief summarize. Brief summarize.